Hi, this is Jack. I am at Blanc Cancun, and let's take a tour of an ocean view room with double beds. Hey, if you don't mind, do me a favor and subscribe to my videos. I do post new videos every Tuesday. So Blanc, as you know, is an adults-only resort. It is my favorite adults-only resort. It is in the hotel zone. It's 5-diamond, AAA, you name it, it has it. So let's take a tour of the room and see what it has to offer. Okay, as we walk in the room, as you can see, you have a dressing area here and some storage. But let me show you some of the cool stuff they have here. Right in. So as you can see, you do have some bottles of alcohol. Now this is included in the all-inclusive. You will also have some bottles of wine, some glasses, a coffee machine. But one of my favorite things they have in here is the drawer. Look at what you get. Look at these snacks. Now these snacks are replenished every day. If you want more chocolate, there is an app. Just go to the app and ask for 4 more, or my favorite M&Ms. And again, you can get new pods for the coffee. As you can see, a mini bar. So in the fridge, there's usually beers, there's soda, there's some juices, and as strange enough as it may be, there's chocolate milk. Not sure what you're making with them. So let's take a look in here. So this room has 2 beds in it. So this room category comes with either a king size bed or 2 beds. Just make sure you ask us at Vacationese what your bedding type is for weddings. Again, you can request this, but let's take a look. So here you have an area here for your storage, for your suitcase. You have a dresser with drawers and a very large screen TV. Now the nice thing with this TV, if you have Netflix or an app, you can Bluetooth or Wi-Fi into the TV and watch whatever you want. Now, everybody at Blanc gets butlers. This is really important. So this little device here is for aromatherapy. So when you check in, your butler will ask you what flavor of aromatherapy. You can change this every day if you want. You can do it on the app. Now, just in case you happen to be working while you're here as a guest on a destination wedding or hosting your destination wedding, as you can see, there's plugs and USB. Now, this again is an ocean view room. So look at that ocean. This is kind of what it's all about. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful ocean. Now, here's the thing. At Blanc, most rooms do not have balconies. They have French balconies. Those doors will open. You do have the amazing view again, but you do not have a balcony to go out on. Here you have a chair and table, and when you do check in, you are given a flower, and you will put that in here, and your butler will come and change that periodically. You do have the 2 beds. A couple nice things that you have here. You have a clock. You can usually Bluetooth in, and again, to stay connected, you do have USB jacks there. You also have outlets. Now, I know you're seeing what I'm seeing, so here we are. Let's take a look at this bathroom. As you can see in the bathroom, there is a hot tub. Look at this hot tub. Big for 2 people. As you see in the bathroom and in the hot tub, right here are bubble bath, so no problem. Now, what you can do is if you want to, just let your butler know, and they will draw you a bath, put rose petals in it. They have bath salts. Again, everybody has a butler, so you just ask the butler about the bath salts. And if you let him know that, say, you want to come in from the beach at 6 o'clock, he'll have your bath all ready for you. Now, let's look at the rest of the bathroom. Okay, as you can see, there's beautiful amenities in the bathroom. It is more of an open concept bathroom. Over here, you do have a lav or a toilet room. Now, as you can see in the toilet room, there's also a shower. Now, the nice thing about the shower here, you do have a rain head for the shower and a handheld and body sprays. Definitely a cool shower. You also have Rivalry amenities, a nice loofah to dry your skin with, and if you want to sit in the bath, there is a bench in the shower. So again, beautiful shower, beautiful amenities. And here is the bathtub again, so you have a better view of the bathtub. You can pull the curtain for a little bit of privacy. And here's the room. Again, you have storage in here. Now let's look at some of the important things that are in the closet. So as you can see, you do have robes and iron. Just in case for your wedding you need to iron, there's an umbrella. And more importantly, look at these slippers. These are some of the best slippers I've seen at any resort. They are soft and comfy and fluffy. Now here is a safe, so if you want to put your personal belongings in there, you can put them in there as well. And if you do need laundry, which is not included, they have laundry bags, but as you also see, there's a shoe bag. So part of the amenities here is the butlers will polish your shoes if you like. Okay, now we're gonna tour another room. This is a honeymoon oceanfront room. You'll see what this is all about. The room is very, very similar to the other room we're in, but let's take a look at the honeymoon oceanfront. Okay, as we walk into the room, one of the things you're gonna notice, it's a little bit different. In the other room, there was a hot tub over here. So you're questioning, oh my, Jack, where's my hot tub? No problem, we don't forget about you. Look at this, look at this. Hold on, hold on. There's your hot tub. The hot tub is actually right here. You step down and look at that view. So the hot tub in this room, again, this is a honeymoon oceanfront, but look at this view. Here's your main pool, LeBlanc. There's that beautiful ocean. And here's your hot tub. So think about this. You're here on your wedding. You're sitting in the hot tub. Here's your bubble bath. Your butler's made the tub for you. And you were just sitting out here looking at that. I know you have your butler bring you a bottle of champagne, maybe some nachos or shrimp tacos. So again, this is the honeymoon oceanfront. All king beds because it is honeymoon. But as you see, you have some steps here. You walk up to the room, king bed. You have a LeBlanc bag. Everybody gets a LeBlanc bag. But look at that view. You can lay in bed, just look at that view. You still have the desk because I'm sure you're gonna be working while you're on your wedding, but you look outside and that is what it is all about. So again, bathroom is very similar, except it does not have the hot tub in the bathroom, but you do have the shower, the rain head shower, one sink, same amenities. And yes, you do have a scale, not that you'll ever want to get on it when you're here for your wedding, but just in case there is a scale. But again, here is the honeymoon oceanfront room at Blanc Cancun. So when you're thinking of an adults only destination wedding, this is the place you want to be. 5 Diamond AAA, butlers in every room category. And this is Blanc Cancun with Vacation Ease.